already made a note of it. However, I would again like to thank you for joining in such a short notice. I know everybody is busy with either their exams or their internships or a lot of things. This particular session is only to give you certain updates about whatever challenges you're facing in with respect to Wipro offer letter of, after the LOI, the BGV issues, whatever you are facing. Also, certain updates about internship, certain updates about when are you getting onboarded, etc. things. Also about an important update about CGP, such like factors will be mentioned today. Before that, once of all, thank you for joining. I hope everybody is safe. Please be safe. I know the festivals are around the corner. However, please be safe because of your semesters properly, because if you don't focus on your semester, meeting the eligibility criteria what Wipro has said. However, if you receive the LOI also without clearing the background verification, you will not be getting an offer letter from us when your onboarding is scheduled. So let's quickly get into the video. After that, we will proceed to the entire session. It's just a half an hour session, not to worry, it won't be boring as such. Only an important update I'll be giving you so that you are well versed about what is happening, where are you at the current stage, that all things will be discussed today. Okay. I hope that was clear to you. Not giving you just a heads up about how big Wipro is as such. This is just to keep you aware that whichever firm you are going to join, with respect to Wipro, how is Wipro all about, when the journey started and all it began. Just to give that information, I have just played the video, not getting too much of time. Now, see, people have already started mentioning lot of things in the chat box itself. As I said, I would not look at the chat box at all, because when I ask you to mention the questions or queries, that time itself I am going to reply to that queries. As of now, be very clear what I am trying to speak or trying to convey to you, because that is very important. As I said, the first thing, I am just giving you an example about, or giving you a study about how Wipro is all about, just walking you through the slides. You have already gone through the slides several times. This particular individual who you can see on the screen is Mr. Azim Premji, the chairman of Wipro. As of now, he has retired. However, his son Rishad Premji has taken over the business. However, he is the main person for which, from Wipro, where it started, right now where it is, he is the main army for it. Just to give you an heads up, that's why this PPT was said. He's particularly our CEO, Mr. Terry Delaporte, who has joined in 2020 during the pandemic. Because of him, there are a lot of different approaches coming in, and we have completely transformed our company into more digitalization. Just a little bit, like, what are our values? Now everybody, like, your school has certain distinct rules and regulations, the same way Wipro has its own values and cultures, what we portray it to everybody, and why we stand together as of now, and why we are growing. These are the four aspects. That is, be passionate with the clients, because without the clients we don't get the business. Without the business, our company will not grow. Without company not growing, the company employees or whoever is working to build the company will not get the particular aspects or requirements. Treat each everybody with respect. That we as a Wiprovite don't believe in hierarchy as such or something. We are very open. We bring in a lot of ideas whenever there is a situation or a meeting. All the individuals are given opportunity to speak and bring out their own ideas, so that's how we treat each of everybody with respect. There is no superior or inferior kind of a structure here. Be global and responsible, because we are present over more than 34 countries, and in India itself we are present in 66 cities. So however, why it is globally responsible? Because most of the candidates or clients or Wipro employees are working in different countries, and you will have different managers, either from Canada or Europe or Guadalajara. Different structure, different time zone. So it is very important. You cannot, if your client is from Canada, the time zone is completely different. You cannot go back to the client and say, I am working in Indian standard timing. That's the reason we have shifts given to the employees as well, so that when they are present, you are also present. There is no loop in between, or the work is not pushed forward for the next day as such. That's the reason. And integrity means everything what you do, there should be a transparency in it. There shouldn't be any fraudulent activity conducted. This four values you should always keep in mind with respect to if you're planning to join Wipro. Just a transformation and all. I don't want to get into this particular scenario. You already know when we started, when we entered into the IT industry, just giving you a look through about what the company is all about, why this particular uh, presentation or orientation session I have kept is because most of the candidates, half of the people have not joined the orientation session when we had scheduled it, or most of the candidates will have a confusion or will be in a dilemma where you will be still thinking whether I should be accepting this particular offer or not. So that's the reason this particular module is seen, whether the brand is good. That's the reason. Now, this, your package, how the growth is going to be. I'm not sure most of the candidates must have look into it, but however, I would like to emphasize on this particular thing. You have a service agreement with us for 12 months. That's once you complete that, initially, you will be there for 3.5 lakh. Once you complete your 6 months, based on your performance, your income, that is your annual income, changes from 3.5 lakh to 3.75. Once you complete 18 months with Wipro, your CTC will be in a range of 4.2 to 4.8 lakhs based on the performance. That's the reason we are not saturating it for everybody, it will be equal. This all depends on your performance, depending on how you performed, what were your inputs, contribution to the organization. That's how it will be. Same, once you complete 2 years in the organization, your CTC from 4.8 to 6 lakh, it will be in the range. Once you are completing 3 years with Wipro, your CTC completely increases from 7 to 9.5 lakh annum. Now, please note, whenever your CTC is increasing, you will have a lock period in the particular CTC. Every end of the year, the lock period will be there. Also, there will be bonus amounts given to you based on individual's performance. So that is very important. You need not to be bothered about what will be in the future, but this is just to give you your breakthrough about what will be. Like, if somebody asks you where is your journey starting from Wipro and where it is going to be. This is how the journey we have created. This is like a career map we are giving you, that how it looks like. And also please note that it is mere based on your performance, based on whatever your contributions are, your CTC is getting increased. Just an overview. Also, nobody is supposed to be recording this session. That is not allowed. Nobody is supposed to take a screenshot of any of the slides which I am presenting. In case we come to know, there will be certain actions taken against the individual. That's the reason. Whatever I am speaking, it's already shared. It's already documentation. You also know that I am a certified individual. In case you don't know my name, most of the placement officers know my name. My name is Lakshmi Rajesh Nair. I take care of engineering and non-engineering hiring. Good afternoon, one and all. Thank you for joining in such to your placement officer. They will for sure reach out to me. I don't share my email IDs with the candidates because there are multiple candidates who will drop several mails and it will not be possible for me to respond to every mail. So whenever the placement officer reached out, I will be responding accordingly to everybody. Moving ahead, it's this is for a different hiring altogether. As this, I don't need to even go and iterate on it. It's just not work. There are a lot of other things which we encourage the employees to be. That is where there is a photography competition, there is lot of competitions. I will not brag about it, but yes, there apart from work there are many other things what we there are many other things what we want our employees to do, because when there is creativity, when there is work life balance, then only more innovation happens, more technicalities comes in picture, more there is a meaning to what you do. That's what we believe in. So it's not just work. You have your work life balance in Wipro, that's for sure. With whatever, some people may be interested in theater, some people may be interested in photography, some people will be interested in cultural activities. Every movement or every passion is given a space in Wipro. That I would also show you one particular PPT video before I talk about the certain very important aspects. I guess my system has just hung.